Fatty liver disease is a common condition that is characterized by an accumulation of fat in the liver cells. It simply means your liver has a lot of fat in it, which can lead to serious health problems. Fatty liver disease is divided into two types: alcoholic fatty liver disease and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Alcoholic fatty liver disease results from excessive alcohol intake, which can damage liver cells and impair their ability to break down fats. Over time, this fat buildup can cause inflammation, damage to liver cells, and even lead to more severe conditions like alcoholic hepatitis or cirrhosis. Meanwhile, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is often associated with metabolic risk factors like obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. If left untreated, it can progress to liver fibrosis, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. The liver plays an integral role in our body, and when it is affected by excessive fat, it can interfere with its normal functions like detoxification, metabolism, bile production, and nutrient storage. While medical intervention is often imperative, there are also essential vitamins and minerals that can aid in cleansing a fatty liver. In this video, we will explore 9 of these key vitamins and minerals that you can incorporate into your diet to promote liver health and cleanse your fatty liver. Number 1. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as L-ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in boosting the immune system, promoting wound healing, and maintaining healthy skin. But did you know that it's also essential for liver health? Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize toxins and reduce inflammation in the liver. It also supports liver detoxification by promoting the production of glutathione, a vital antioxidant that aids in eliminating toxins. Bell peppers, citrus fruits, kiwi, strawberries, guavas, and broccoli are incredible sources of vitamin C. For adults, the advised daily intake of vitamin C is 75 to 90 milligrams, but people under stress, smokers, and those with certain medical conditions may require higher doses. You can also take vitamin C supplements, but always consult with your doctor before adding any supplement to your diet. Number 2. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that may have a positive impact on fatty liver disease. This vitamin helps fight oxidative stress, which can lead to liver damage. Oxidative stress arises when the balance between free radicals and antioxidants is disrupted, leading to cell damage. Vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals and prevent them from causing harm to liver cells. Additionally, vitamin E has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the liver. Some excellent sources of vitamin E include almonds, spinach, pine nuts, sunflower seeds, avocados, salmon, and wheat germ oil. The recommended daily intake for adults is 15 milligrams, but it may vary based on age and health status. If you're not able to get enough vitamin E from your diet, you can also take supplements after consulting with a healthcare professional. Number 3. B vitamins. The B vitamins, including B12, B6, and folic acid, are crucial for liver health and detoxification. These vitamins play a vital role in various metabolic processes, including the breakdown of fats, amino acids, and toxins. Vitamin B6 specifically helps support liver function by aiding in the metabolism of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. You can find vitamin B6 in foods like whole grains, legumes, poultry, fish, bananas, and spinach. Folate, or vitamin B9, is also essential for liver health as it participates in DNA and RNA synthesis, cell division, and the metabolism of amino acids, while vitamin B12 aids in red blood cell production and fatty acid metabolism. The best sources of folate and vitamin B12 are animal-derived foods such as meat, fish, dairy products, and eggs. If you wish to get these vitamins in supplement form, it is best to consult a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage. Number 4. Vitamin D. We all know that vitamin D is an essential nutrient for bone health, but did you know that it also plays a role in liver health? Studies have shown that vitamin D deficiency is associated with the progression of liver diseases, including fatty liver disease. Vitamin D is crucial in reducing liver inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity, as it regulates the expression of genes that control these processes. The best source of vitamin D is sunlight, but you can also find it in foods such as fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, egg yolks, cheese, and fortified milk. If you have a deficiency or are unable to get enough from your diet, vitamin D supplements may be beneficial. But as always, consult with your doctor before taking any supplements. Number 5. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is a fat-soluble vitamin that is best known for its role in blood clotting. It can help reduce the risk of bleeding in the treatment of liver disease. Unlike vitamin A, another fat-soluble vitamin that can cause liver injury in high doses, it is generally safe to take vitamin K in instructed amounts. The daily recommended intake of vitamin K for men is 120 micrograms, and for women, it is 90 micrograms. You can find vitamin K in green leafy vegetables like kale, spinach, and collard greens, soybean, and canola oils, as well as meat, cheese, and eggs. It's essential to get enough vitamin K in your diet, as studies have shown that it may help regulate lipid metabolism in the liver, which can be beneficial for individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Number 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are often referred to as good fats and include alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, which offer numerous benefits for liver health. These fatty acids have been found to reduce fat buildup in the liver, which can help treat non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that may prevent fibrosis and inflammation in the liver. While your body cannot produce omega-3s, they can be easily obtained through foods like fish, nuts and seeds, fortified cereals, and oils such as soybean, canola, or flaxseed oils. If you are unable to get enough omega-3s from your diet, supplements can be a good option, but again, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Number 7. Zinc. Zinc is a popular supplement that is commonly used to boost the immune system, but it can also benefit liver health. This is because it contains potent antioxidant properties that protect the liver from oxidative damage caused by harmful free radicals. Zinc also plays a crucial role in supporting liver cell regeneration and regulating immune responses. A zinc deficiency not only impairs liver function, but can also contribute to the progression of liver diseases, including fatty liver disease. Symptoms of zinc deficiency may include loss of appetite, delayed wound healing, and hair loss. The recommended daily intake of zinc is 11 milligrams for adult men and 8 milligrams for adult women. You can find zinc in foods like oysters, beef, pork, chicken, beans, nuts, whole grains, and dairy products. Number 8. Curcumin. Curcumin is an active compound found in turmeric that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat various health conditions, including liver diseases. Curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins, viruses, and inflammation. It also supports liver cell regeneration and improves bile production, which aids in digestion as well as reduces inflammation in the liver. Adding turmeric to your diet can be a delicious way to reap the benefits of curcumin. You can use it in soups, curries, and even smoothies. However, when considering curcumin supplementation, it's crucial to ask your healthcare professional for advice on the appropriate dosage, as it may interact with certain medications. Number 9. Selenium. The last essential nutrient on our list is selenium, which is a trace mineral that plays an important role in liver health. Selenium is primarily known for its role in liver detoxification and antioxidant defense. It enhances the production of enzymes that help remove toxins from the liver and protect it from the harmful effects of oxidative stress. A deficiency in selenium has been linked to liver diseases such as fatty liver disease. This is because low levels of selenium can impair liver function and increase the risk of liver damage. Therefore, ensuring adequate intake of selenium is crucial for maintaining a healthy liver. Brazil nuts are considered the richest dietary source of selenium, but seafood, eggs, whole grains, and organ meats are also good sources. However, it's important to note that absurd intake of selenium can be dangerous and lead to adverse effects. The recommended daily intake of selenium for adults is 55 micrograms, but it's integral to consult a healthcare expert before considering any supplementation. In simple words, a well-balanced diet that includes all essential nutrients is crucial for maintaining liver health. These include vitamins A, D, and K, omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, curcumin, and selenium. By incorporating these nutrients into your diet, you support your liver's natural detoxification processes, reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, and prevent or manage various types of liver diseases. However, it's important to remember that these nutrients should not be used as a replacement for medical treatment, and always consult with your doctor before making any significant dietary changes or starting any new supplements. With a healthy diet and lifestyle, you can support your liver and overall health for optimal well-being. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content.